Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to save TikTok video to gallery. Saving videos lets you keep your favorite content for offline viewing or sharing with your friends easily. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. On the home page, swipe up or down and find the video that you want to save. Once you have found the video, tap on the share icon located on the right side of your screen. In the sharing options, tap on the save video option. This will save the video directly to your gallery. And this is how you can save TikTok video to gallery. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.